Thank you. Hey guys, don't forget to get Miss Donna book. I wasn't okay. Don't forget it. You see me talk about it. Thank you for sending me 100 stars. This is her book, The Most Beautiful Donna. Right, William. Hi, William. Message me now, William. If you message me when we come out for the live, message me so me can connect with you. Hey, Callie. I wasn't okay. Here's the book. The book of the century. Trust me. This lady, she got through a lot. Me feel like everybody should hear her story. Me not too want telling you the hard times that she got through. And she end up going a foreign and she had do good for herself. And so me like to see when people bounce back in the money. One of dead no call it up, you know. One of dead no dash way, you know. See the book here. Go over to Amazon. Check it out. The link is also in the comment section. It is on my page. Donna Edward Arton. She's there. Alright. Watch her. You see that? Hi, Masha. Is it me? Alright. See her there? Look at her. It's a book of inspiration and motivation. I wasn't okay. Can I get the book? Yes, you can get it on Amazon. Let me get you. Just go on to Amazon and you put I wasn't okay and it's gonna pop up. See? I wasn't okay. And also the link is in. Thank you for sending me 100 stars. Also, the link is in the description as well. But if you just put it in Amazon, look, I wasn't okay. Just put it in there. You see? Just put it in there, you're going to see. It's there in the paperback. The audiobook is there and the Kindle is there. So you can listen to it in a car or when, you know, a lot of people don't have a time to read, they can listen. So she's catering for everybody. So there is no excuse not to buy her book. A Jamaican author telling her story. This is a Jamaican author telling her story. This is a story that you guys need to hear. I reach like right here. So wait there. See there? Right here, sitting on the book. My daughter reached further than me now because she love her stuff. My daughter read it, she cry. She said, Mommy, she real? Somebody got through all of that. Me say, yes, baby. Write a book, Natalie, you should. Me say, yes, baby. Somebody did go through all of it. She said, wow. She said, wow. Yeah. See it? I wasn't okay. Look at the book, guys. Put it in your Amazon. Put it in your cart. Put it in your wish list. It's not expensive either. It's not out of budget. Trust me. Look at her. This is a story that you all should hear. Believe me. I don't want to talk for me to know. Oh, this lady go from not going to school to abuse. She been, you know, she go through a lot of things. Not going to school. Molested. Whole heap of something. Whole heap of something she got through and she bounced back. Yes, please do. Check it out. See there? Just put it in your Amazon. I wasn't okay. Give her my email. I'm coming over. I wasn't okay. You see it? Everyone loves the book. Everybody loves the book. Me say when me read it, me I say like, cause you know, me have to keep on going, cause you know, me have to keep going because me I said, Jesus. Then me look at this lady, she got through all of this. She at age 19, she wasn't able to read. And look, she ended up writing a book. Oh my God. Oh my God. My God. My God. Me no like man, I love them belly. You know, but I come and come beg no food. You know, if you love a belly, you want next. That I want next red flag. You will yam anything anyway from anybody. Sandy just put in I wasn't okay on Amazon. I don't want to state the price for the book here because I don't know what Facebook might do to the live, right? They have a style for shut up on the live. It's a wholesome book. Miss Donna B. Edwards. Me like to call her Donna B. That's not her name. Her name is Donna Edwards Arton. But I don't know why I call her that. You understand me? Text her. Everybody please at her. Donna Arton Edwards. Or Donna Edwards Arton. She's a very sweet lady. She's not just sweet in the book or in her story that she wrote. She's a sweet, genuine person. You know how long me have her book for sure, no? You know how long me have her book, and she never complain, she never this, and she does wait till me get to where me I get to. Come me, they go through a hard time, and she did wait on me. She did wait on me to get this. Please, guys, just go over there. Going to order. Who else going to order? Who else going to order? How many persons are here? You support your own. Support her, please. Because I know a lot of person can relate it to Miss Dana's story. She can relate it to Miss Dana. You see her? I mean, like how she just take her own little time and put her book together and thing. As me say, as I said, if you cannot read, you can get the Kindle, you can get the thank you, Cheryl, thank you, Sanja. So many persons are saying me, Felicia, please do order. Please do read a part. Alright? How many persons are here? We're gonna read the back. I'm gonna read the back, right? I'm gonna read the back. Sandy, thank you. About the book. About the book, I'm gonna read the back, and all the suspense that your guys are in, go and get this book. Jamaican author, this lady. She bounced back from everything. Guess how she's still young in prison? I've ordered done. Why? Thank you. Who else? Felicia. Thank you, dedication. I'm gonna read this. Somebody sent me 100 stars. I don't know why. Still, Facebook, let me big up the people, them, no man. Lisa, thank you, Lisa. I'm gonna read the back about the book. Often it's hard to forget about the hard times. Often it becomes impossible to see through all the darkness, wondering if there's any silver lining in the terrifying thunder of life. However, the difficult days turn you into the empowered person you become in the end. The difficult days remind you that they are only temporary, and they need my glasses. They are only temporary, and there is always hope in the end. Hope to carry on with your life and live with a better perspective. Through Dana Edwards' art and personal life story, she intends to remind you that your hope will be the light in all darkness. As a child growing up in Jamaica, Dana narrates or tells tale about all the hardship in her childhood life, aiming to inspire you towards an attitude of never giving up. Why not be the biggest supporter and make it through life's darkest days instead of putting yourself down and struggling? After all, it will only be sticking up for yourself at the end of the time, no one else. Thank you, Dana Edwards Artan. You know, me might mix up the sentence and become I have my glasses, because I use my reading glasses. I'm getting old, guys. I'm going to get one. Please do. Just put it in Amazon. I wasn't okay, and it will come up. The link is also here. The link is also here. I wasn't okay. Thank you so much. It's a very extraordinary, inspiring book. Everyone, I think every Jamaican should have this book. I think every Jamaican should have this book, honestly. So people are firing. I've got to go now. To those who send me star, thank you. Here she is. She sent blue. Here's the lady. Here's the powerful, tremendous. Oh my God. Here's the lady. Sister, listen, I cannot get this book from my child. I cannot get this book from my daughter. I need a book for myself. Dana Edwards, Horton, Hawthorne. I cannot get this book from Amaya. I cannot get it for read for myself. Like, I literally have to borrow the book from her. She's so caught up to the story. I literally have to be borrowing it, asking for it, borrowing it. Yeah. There is a lady. My God, she is an extraordinary human. She's an extraordinary person to sit down and write this this story, put it together. I'm following you on Amazon, Donna. Just order your book. Thank you. Who else? Bring it on. Yes, bring it on. Who else you need to send me one? You need to send me one. Tell her she's here. She's here on the live. You tell her that you need a signed one. She will send it to you. She's here. Follow her page. Connect with her if you need your award specially signed. Tell her. Who is going on Amazon to order this book? Come on, guys. I just think, there she goes. She's commenting the green, the yellow, and the blue art. She's here on the live as well. Every Jamaican, everybody, not just Jamaican. I think everyone should have this book. Everyone, this book should be in every home. You're most welcome, Miss Donna. You're so pretty. You see her? You see her? How she bounced back so fast? Like, whoa. How she bounced back from all of this? That she even write a book. And you know what? A signed copy. Lisa Jordan, she need a signed copy. She's here on the live. You can message her and tell her. You know what I love about the book? She don't pretty up nothing because it is going into a book. She don't pretty up nothing. She just put it just as it is. Can you come on the live? I don't know, because, people have jobs. Some people work. Here you go, Carlene. I wasn't okay. I don't know if she's available. People will be at their work sometimes. And we are on different times. I am in Jamaica, so I am on different time. Different from other people. So as I was saying, what I love about the book, most of all, she just put things at it is. She just write it. She not pretty up. She not cover up. But some people would like write the book and put it on and say it's gonna be in a book. Oh God, what the readers are gonna think about me, or what the readers are gonna say about me. She just put her name, Donna Edwards, and she also have another page, Donna Edwards Artham. She's here, Donna Edwards or Donna Edwards Artham. Just check it out. Thank you, Medical. Thank you so much. As I'm saying, she spoke her truth. She just put it out there. She not care, like, say what. She not afraid because as she got through it. Some people that, what they're gonna say about me, what the readers are gonna think, what's gonna happen when they think this about me. Oh, I'm gonna feel shame. I'm gonna feel embarrassed. No, she put it as is. She put it as it. Tell her to pin it. All right. That's her page. Donna Edwards Arthur. Let me try to pin her. Pin this comment. There you go. That's her page. She's commenting her page. She has 2 pages here. She's commenting. What's the name of the book? Here's the book. I Wasn't Okay. Available on Amazon. Check your inbox. She will check Andre Sheet. That's a real person. Yes, she is. I'm saying, when I'm reading the book, I feel like when I'm reading, because I am not, you can see where I'm at in the book. I'm right here. But my daughter, she's more further than me because she's, she has more time to read it. So when I'm reading the book, I feel like I am speaking to her myself. Like she's sitting in front of me, giving me this interview, like a profile, like she's there. So she just tried. I don't know how she connect with us like this as a reader, but she connect with us. Avis, I don't want to say the cost for the book on the live because I don't know if Facebook is going to shut up on me for doing that. I don't know. I will check. I don't know if Facebook is going to shut up on me, but it's not a lot. It is very, very for a real life experience book like this, and on a makeup story, it is very, very reasonable. Trust me, everybody can afford it. She make it so everyone can afford this book. But I'm saying, when you're reading her story, her real life story, you feel like she's sitting where you're at, telling you her story. You don't feel like, you're reading the book. You don't feel like it's a book you're reading, like, you just feel like you're speaking to her one-on-one. That's how you make us feel, Miss Donna. That's how you make us feel. Oh God. And guys, I can't tell you how long she sent the book come give me. For sure, say she's not just a person you know, in the story. She's a sweet person. Just order mine. Thank you, Patrice. It's cause it's on Amazon. Thank you, Felicia. Thank you, Felicia, for helping out. So many persons have ordered so far. Please order, guys. Listen. Come on, guys. Sit down and check it out. Thank you for sending me 100 stars. Thank you. Thank you so much. Then I said, I want people of friends can send me some Shein gift card to me. Somebody send me a Shein gift card. Somebody send me something else. Lord, my God. Wow. I'm going to get one. Delano, you see you're not going to get nothing. But let me get back to this. Look at her. Beautiful and young. You couldn't think this lady got you so much. Look at her. My God. What if you don't want it on a Kindle? She does offer it. It is available in paperback as well, like this. And she's of the audio, and the audiobook is there. And the Kindle. I will check, Angie. I will check. The Kindle is there. So she giving you a lot of options, and that's what I like with her. She giving you a lot of options. She's saying thank you. Thank you too. No, thank you too, Miss Donna. So she have it in the Audible. She have it in the paperback and the Kindle. My wife is doing it now. Why you think so bad of me? Yeah, troublemaker Delano. Hello, wifey. Tell wifey. I'm not talking to Delano. I'm talking to wifey. I don't know with Delano. I be a troublingy. I'm gonna tell wifey that Delano is oh God, in troublemaking. You see, a bitch. All three is there. Yeah, all three is there. And me say, guys, you know from when she sent me the book. I just ordered the paperback. Thank you, Patrice. Thank you so much. You saw people are finding supportive. When you read the book, I want to send me. When you read the book, I want to send me. Or anybody want to receive the book, want to order the book or receive the book, want to just send me. Just take a picture and send me so I can post. If you don't want, because we just want to make everybody know. Say, yeah, everybody's supposed to have this book. This book just build your back. I mean, me can relate to a lot of things. What she talk about in her book. Not many of us will go through some things. Not many of us bold enough. All my head are grown when me attack. We're not bold enough to come out and talk about it. Much less put it into a book for the world to see it. When you get your book, make sure that you send me a picture. Send me a picture of you and your book if you would like. This is if you want. You don't have to. But when you get your book, you just send me a picture. I post it and tag you to let her know that we're supporting. Miss Donna, me never know you got you some. Me would see one thing. You've been through all these things and you just, Lord, my God. And guys, I'm not telling you how long me get this book? Hi, Felicia. You know how long I got this book? So long. And me too. Please send me a picture. I would love to post it. All right. Mine's coming Thursday. You should never rush me because when I tell me that I got through some serious thing, mess up my mental. She never rush me. She just wait till me just bounce back. Me mentally. But some people that like hurry you and be nagging you and be stressing you. She not business. For sure says she's a sweet person. I would love to post a picture and she would also of everyone who is ordering this book. I love to show it. I would love to show you off that if it's up to you. You send me a picture. She says she also want a picture too. So we can put it in our album. I got an Amazon gift card for my birthday. So I'm using it to get the book. That's my gift. Oh my God. When you do, Miss Cole, when you do, if you want, you can send me a picture. And you can send Miss Donna as well. Or, but I can post it on my platforms. I light it. And or I can just keep a picture for myself. Because not many persons like to be out there in the public. I understand that. But you don't have to. When you do purchase, please send me a picture. I would love to see. Thank you, Miss Arton, for putting your story out there because I could not believe. I could not. You're an extraordinary person. Believe me. Okay, Delana. Thank you. Thank you so much. When you get your book, you send me a picture as well. When you get your book. Hi, beautiful Andrea. Good night. Thank you. In the meantime, people are firing. Me feel hungry, so me feel peckish. Me feel like I'm going to eat some food. But we talk again. And guys, don't forget, I wasn't okay. Reposting everyone who ordered and would like to be featured on my platform. I've been reposting you and your book. Right? What good everybody in foreign love you always.